NA.
The Miracle Morning, by Hal Elrod, describes how you can use the power of waking up well to achieve more and become happier. This video will outline the key points in a few minutes. For most people, waking up is unpleasant and something which must be endured. However, the Miracle Morning suggests that this time can be spent preparing for the rest of the day. The crux of the idea is that we should commit to waking up 1 hour earlier than we usually do, and use that extra time to do a few additional tasks alongside our usual morning routine, which will boost our mood and productivity. How can we help ourselves commit to waking up earlier? Some simple tricks include placing your alarm out of reach of your bed, so you have to get up to turn it off. Make sure to sleep well. Drink water before bed and place another cup by your alarm for when you wake up. Take a shower to relax your body and then do a sleep ritual that works for you. Our video on Why We Sleep can provide more tips for this. If you are really serious, you can even sleep in your workout clothes, so you are one step closer to being active when you are awake. Once you have improved your sleep by optimizing your evening routine and making waking up harder to avoid, it is important that you change the way you wake up to achieve your goals. Follow the SAVERS acronym. S is for silence. Take some time to focus your mind. Engage in some focused thoughts or meditation. A is for affirmation. Actively generate supportive thoughts. Thoughts precede action, so this will eventually transform your mind through suggestion. Understand that you are worthy, deserving and capable. Don't let limiting or damaging thoughts intrude. V is for visualization. Create a digital or physical board of notes and pictures which are related to your current goal, and take time reviewing it. This continuity is key. Doing it every day will align your vision with your daily thoughts. E is for exercise, something light, like yoga, body weight exercises, or jogging, to kickstart your body's waking function and maintain health. R is for reading. Commit to reading 10 pages of a book per day, ideally in the morning after you have completed your morning preparations. Lastly, S is for scribing. Take some time to write some notes about your goal, your thoughts, or anything you feel like. Writing helps our brains to align the messy cloud of ideas into something usable. How you wake up in the morning decides much of your day's mood and outcomes. It isn't easy to leap out of bed, ready to go, but if you follow some of the steps outlined before, you can fill in the rest later on in the day and feel better doing so. As long as some time is dedicated to this pursuit, it will have a positive effect. It will be tough, but small steps towards our desires are much better than nothing. Spending some of our daytime with other positive thinking achievers will help you keep accountable. If you manage to follow these steps, both in the morning and throughout your day, you will feel that you react better to the troubles life throws at you. You will become less self-pitying and more proactive. Achievers know that sleep and waking up are crucial to success and happiness. Making any progress towards a better sleeping and waking routine will pay off massively in your daily life.
NA.